Dark spots can be stressing, depressing, and it can take your confidence away. Trust me when I say I know how it feels. If you have tried literally everything and it's not working for you, you do want to continue watching this video because we are exploring the benefits of the serum and how to use it to remove those dark spots and uneven skin tone. First and first, this serum contains a key ingredient that is nutrient to the skin. It's packed with benefit from enhancing your skin elasticity to strengthening your skin barrier. But one of its popular uses is tackling dark spots. Some of these serum benefits include calming sensitized skin, brightening skin tone, and your ultimate favorite is fading dark spots. This serum is no other than vitamin B3 serum, otherwise known as niacinamide serum. I use 10% niacinamide serum from my own brand right there. Feel free to use any good niacinamide serum you can find out there. A quick tip when starting using a niacinamide serum, you do want to start with a low percentage, like 3 to 5%. Gradually you are building the skin tolerance with the niacinamide serum. Gradually you can scale up to the 10%, just to be on a safer side, because sometimes niacinamide can be harsh. I won't say harsh, but it can go deep in trying to purge out your skin before it starts to treat it. So to avoid that, you do want to start with low percentage to build your skin tolerance before you can scale up to 10%. So how do you use this niacinamide to treat dark spots? First and first, you need to cleanse. Find a good cleanser, cleanse your face thoroughly. You can do double cleansing, to remove any form of excess dirt, because the last thing you need is to put treatment on top of dirt. It's not good. You will end up, creating another problem on top of another problem. So you do want to cleanse your face with a very, very mild cleanser. There are a lot of mild cleansers out there. You can use them. Cleanse your face, then apply your niacinamide serum. Massage it so well in your skin. Let it sink in. Then after that, if you have a good moisturizer, you can incorporate it on top. If you don't, then that's fine, because when I was starting out with niacinamide serum, I didn't use a moisturizer. I want to see the effect first of the niacinamide serum, so I was using it morning, afternoon, and night. And lastly, you are going to apply sunscreen. Of course, you cannot make this treatment happen without using sunscreen. I'll make a video on my top recommendations of sunscreen to use that are very good in speeding the process of treating hyperpigmentation. Start this routine and be consistent with it. You will see a significant result and improvement on your dark spots. If you have got any value from this video, please subscribe to this channel, comment, and like this video. If you want to purchase any of our products, there is link in our description box where you can chat us directly on WhatsApp to do business. So thank you for watching this video. See you in another. Bye.